I won't walk through the specific documents, but there are two other required documents on each job. After you've done the customer agreement, the next copy is to get a customer approval. You generate the list of documents by clicking on the customer approval tab on the right. The one that we need to fill out is the HS814 water heater ICA, which is the bottom document there. When you click on that, you get the same option you did on the last document we looked at, and that is to generate the document on the screen. You can fill in the necessary information, have the customer sign the document, and then save it like we saw with the customer agreement example. The other document is the permit waiver. On the right hand side, you have to scroll down a little bit to find this option, permit information, and then the document will be here, the HS307 permit waiver. A waiver is required on every job where a permit is not already pulled, so essentially that means every water heater job needs to have this document signed. Simply click into here, create the document, and sign it. That's about all that we need to do. We just need to have the document saved to the file. Pretty basic, pretty straightforward. Now that we've uploaded all three of those documents, I can see them here listed in the documents section on the customer record. And now that we've done that, we're ready to go ahead and process payment. Before you can process payment though, you have to create a contract, and we can do that here by clicking on the create contract option, or again over here on the right hand side to create contract. Make sure you select the water heater SKU right here, and then enter the final amount that you're going to charge the customer right here. You'll also want to capture the permit information here. So in the permit number, since we don't have that, we're going to put PAF, permit applied for, and then put the permit amount. It's important to put the correct amount because it's going to reduce the amount that runs through the Home Depot system. And at this point, now that you've created a contract, you can go ahead and process the payment. So you click over here on the payments section, and no payments exist currently, so you're going to want to create a new payment. Again, you have two options to create the new payment type. The next box that will pop up asks you what type of payment is being used. The credit card option is going to be used for a Home Depot credit card or a MasterCard, Visa, etc. The check is self-explanatory, obviously. Also, if you do collect a check, we're going to need the check authorization form. That is back in the customer agreement section in the documents, so you need to make sure to get a check authorization form signed as well. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and do credit cards, and we'll process the credit card payment.